Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse of modern construction machinery, the 2025 Caterpillar D19 Dozer. Renowned for its durability and efficiency, the D9 continues to set benchmarks in the heavy equipment industry. The 2025 D9 is equipped with the formidable CAT D19 engine, delivering a net power of 328 kilowatts, 440 horsepower, at 1,750 revolutions per minute. This robust engine ensures the dozer can tackle the most demanding tasks with ease. In terms of dimensions, the D9 boasts an operating weight of approximately 49,987 kilograms, 110,225 pounds. Its length, including the blade, measures around 6.6 meters, with a width of 4.35 meters and a height of 3.88 meters. These dimensions provide the stability and balance necessary for heavy-duty operations. One of the standout features of the D9 is its versatility. Designed for applications such as ripping over burden, production dozing, stockpiling, and site maintenance, it can be equipped with various blade options to meet specific job requirements. The D9's design emphasizes operator comfort and safety. The cab is ergonomically designed, offering excellent visibility and controls that reduce operator fatigue. Advanced climate control systems ensure a comfortable working environment in diverse weather conditions. Durability is a hallmark of Caterpillar machinery, and the D9 is no exception. Built with high-quality materials and components, it promises longevity and reduced downtime, translating to increased productivity on job sites. Fuel efficiency is another area where the D9 excels. The CAT D19 engine is designed not only for power but also for optimal fuel consumption, making operations more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Now, let's talk about the expected price. While the exact pricing for the 2025 model may vary based on configurations and regional factors, historically, new models like the D9 have a base price of around $900,000. It's essential to consult with local Caterpillar dealers for the most accurate and current pricing information. In conclusion, the 2025 Caterpillar D19 Dozer embodies a blend of power, efficiency, and reliability. Whether you're in construction, mining, or any heavy-duty industry, the D9 is engineered to meet and exceed your operational demands. Thank you for joining us on this detailed overview of the 2025 Caterpillar D19 Dozer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from Car Updater. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, stay informed and keep building.